Small homes often reveal an important truth about interior design. Beauty is not defined by square footage but by atmosphere, character, and thoughtful details. Vintage cottage decorating embraces this philosophy by transforming modest spaces into environments that feel welcoming, layered, and emotionally comforting. Blue and yellow summer palettes are especially popular in cottage-inspired interiors because they balance cool tranquility with cheerful warmth. Soft blues evoke calm skies, faded linens, and nostalgic simplicity, while warm yellows introduce light, optimism, and seasonal freshness. In many traditional cottage homes, decorative elements such as floral textiles, antique furnishings, natural light, and handcrafted accents work together to create interiors that feel deeply personal, lived in, and connected to memory, tradition, and everyday comfort. In small cottage interiors, the living room often serves as the emotional center of the home, where comfort and visual storytelling come together. Effective vintage decorating relies not only on furniture selection but also on layering textures, colors, and meaningful accessories. Soft fabrics, faded patterns, wooden surfaces, and collected decorative pieces help establish warmth without overwhelming limited space. Blue and yellow combinations can brighten compact rooms while maintaining a relaxed atmosphere that feels timeless rather than trendy. Cottage-style living rooms frequently incorporate elements such as floral motifs, woven textiles, aged finishes, botanical touches, and sentimental objects that reflect personal history. The goal is not perfection but harmony, creating a room that feels approachable, functional, and naturally inviting for daily life and quiet seasonal living. The kitchen plays a powerful role in vintage cottage design because it represents nourishment, gathering, and everyday rituals. In small homes, successful kitchen decorating often combines practicality with visual warmth. Cottage-inspired kitchens commonly use soft color palettes, open storage, natural materials, and vintage accessories to create an atmosphere that feels cheerful and authentic. Blue cabinetry, warm yellow accents, rustic wood, ceramic dishware, and floral details can reinforce a summer farmhouse aesthetic while preserving a sense of simplicity. Beyond decoration, traditional cottage kitchens highlight functionality through accessible layouts, multi-purpose furnishings, and thoughtfully displayed essentials. This style demonstrates how ordinary spaces can become emotionally meaningful through careful styling, nostalgic references, and a balanced mix of usefulness and decorative charm. A vintage cottage bedroom is designed to support emotional calm, restfulness, and sensory comfort. Rather than relying on luxury or modern minimalism, this decorating approach emphasizes softness, familiarity, and layered visual warmth. Blue and yellow tones contribute strongly to mood creation, as cooler shades encourage relaxation while warmer accents prevent the room from feeling cold or distant. Textiles play a central role in achieving this atmosphere, with quilts, embroidered details, lace, cotton fabrics, and aged furnishings adding tactile richness and nostalgic depth. Cottage bedroom styling often includes personal collections, vintage books, delicate ornaments, and natural light to strengthen feelings of intimacy and authenticity. These interiors demonstrate how carefully chosen details can influence emotional well-being and create spaces that feel peaceful throughout changing seasons. The enduring popularity of small vintage cottage homes reflects a growing appreciation for interiors that prioritize comfort, individuality, and emotional connection over excess and uniform design trends. Blue and yellow summer styling illustrates how color can influence atmosphere, transforming simple rooms into spaces that feel uplifting, nostalgic, and deeply welcoming. Cottage decorating also highlights the value of preservation, craftsmanship, and meaningful belongings, encouraging homeowners to embrace imperfection, personal storytelling, and timeless decorative traditions. Whether applied in large homes or compact interiors, the principles of vintage cottage design demonstrate that thoughtful styling, layered textures, warm color relationships, and human-centered details can create beautiful environments that feel memorable, authentic, and genuinely lived in.